Guys, what's up, it's your girl Judy, aka the Black Vegan Queen. Welcome back to Judy's Natural Balance. Hey, what's up my old subscribers, and hey to my new subscribers. Guys, I don't know what happened, but I'm doing a voiceover because I lost footage of my video, the beginning of it, my introducing who I am, your girl. I've been having a lot of difficulties, technical difficulties, just I don't know what's going on with this editing thing. But as I've said, you new subscribers are new. I have been going through it, but that's not what this is today. Today is cleaning day. So again, I'm doing the voiceover because I don't know what happened to the footage. So today I am going to be cleaning the stove. Last week I did the refrigerator, which I normally do every week. So next week I'll be doing the refrigerator as well, and other little things I'll be doing today. So we're gonna get into it. I would like for my new subscribers and my old, I'd like for you guys to watch the entire video, but also remember to watch the ads as well. And then when you finish watching, I'd like for you to like it, comment, but I also would like for you to share the video with your friends, with your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your aunt, your uncle, your niece, your nephew, your neighbors, and your co-workers. Let them know to come on over here to Judy's Natural Balance. So at this time, I guess we're just gonna get into this video, and you guys enjoy, relax, and I hope that you will be motivated. Okay, guys, so we are back with the results of the kitchen. So here's the results. Looking all shiny. And guys, these here silver stove cover things, whatever, those are very good for like spillovers. When you have your pot spillover or whatever, it you don't have to clean. So I love these. Like, I seriously love these. So this is the results of the stove. And then here's the countertop. And my little coffee station. I actually don't drink coffee like that. Excuse me. I actually drink mushroom coffee, but it's like nothing a big deal or anything. So that's why it's small. Normally I wouldn't have said anything, but I know somebody probably say, oh, it's little. But yeah, it is, and it'll stay little because I don't drink a lot of hot coffee. And when I do, it's mushroom coffee, and I was on that kick with the mushroom coffee because it's really good. But then Amazon did what they do. Have something that's good, and then, So here's this, look at this, this is like, look at that, look at that shine. Just look at that shine. Woo, baby. And then here's the cabinets. Look at the shine on them cabinets. Oh, look at the shine on them cabinets. Yeah. Yep. And then we have the little island here. And then we're going to go over to the dining room. This is the little results of the little table. And I did the dining table off camera, but that's this. Nothing big. And then we're going over here to, the entryway table that I did. So we finished the entryway table. And again, guys, you got raw coverage here, honey. Raw coverage. My bad. And then we back over here. It's the results of this, my little thing here. And then carpet, the windowsill, and we good. So that was it. And laundry. So we did have laundry. Yeah, we did have laundry. So, and then here's the results of our laundry. So it's more laundry. That's just some of it. And yeah, so yeah, that's it.